Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. So Aimogen is updated. It is supporting also Restrict Content Pro besides of Ultimate Membership Pro plugin to allow restriction of AI tokens and AI usage based on user subscription type and subscription level, and if they are actually subscribed at all. So let me show you this feature in action. So besides of the Ultimate Membership Pro, you will also will be able to use now Restrict Content Pro to limit usage in Aimogen for specific users which are subscribed to your site. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, let's go to the chatbot and give it a test. Let's say simply hi, and let's see if it works. So here it is, it works correctly. And if we actually want to restrict users, we need to have the Restrict Content Pro plugin installed and activated. So we have installed it and set up some membership levels. So let's see the membership levels. It's basic, advanced, and expert. And we have one member here in the basic. The one member is the admin account from this testing website, testing sites. And here it is. We can go in the AI use limits and statistics menu, and here we can set up restrictions in the AI usage limits tab. So go to limits and statistics menu and search for AI usage limits tab, and here you can set rule-based restrictions. So for example, I want to allow a maximum credit usage of 10 credits, and the credit type is queries, tokens, price, maximum chatbot uploaded PDF page count, and uploaded PDF character count. So for example, let's set this to 10 tokens only, just to be sure that we are getting limited for this demonstration. So the time frame should be each month. Only 10 credits allow for 10 tokens for the restrict post subscription plan that we select here. So click settings and you will see restrict content pro subscription plan, and you can select here the subscription plan that you want to apply these restrictions for. So you set this basic and save settings. Now a rule will appear here. So 10 user credits, 10 user tokens will be set for the basic subscription plan. Be sure to set this also for other subscription plans. So for example, for advanced, you can set a higher limit. Note that these are very low token counts for users. You should set this to higher if you want to use this on a real site. I set this only for demonstration purposes to be sure that I will be limited when I try to chat with the chatbot once again. So let's set this to similar, and don't forget to also create a rule when not subscribed users are actually trying to use the chatbot, because if you don't set a rule which targets not subscribed users, then they will be not limited at all, and not subscribed users will have more access than other subscriptions if you set limits for other subscriptions and not also for not subscribed users from here. Okay, so now we set this up, and let's try and use the chatbot once again. Keep in mind that my account is a basic subscription from the Restrict Content Pro, and the message appears: you have reached the usage limit, and you cannot use the chatbot anymore, and actually any other parts of the plugin will be blocked for the current user, because the current user is a basic subscription, has a basic subscription in the Restrict Content Pro plugin, and the basic subscription limits its monthly usage to 10 tokens, We can set this also to month to be sure that we are consistent. And here it is. This is how you can set up a basic subscription type limiting for the Aimogen plugin together with the Restrict Content Pro subscription plugin. So go ahead guys and check Aimogen. It is linked in this video description. Also, the Restrict Content Pro will be able to be purchased by you guys and combined with Aimogen for these great results. You can create your membership sites using this functionality of the plugin. So if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. It is really appreciated. Any comment that you are providing is welcome. So I showed you some basic setup that can be used for Aimogen in the Restrict Content Pro subscription plans. Aimogen linked in this video description. As I said already, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye bye.